Hello, hi everyone. Dear students, today I am going to solve one more example on calculation of interest on drawings under average period method. Dear students, that is the reason I am standing before the camera along with camera technician Mr. Sangmesh. Dear students, so let us solve a second example. The example will be on your screen. Okay, dear students, look at that image. That is second example. Chirag, Pawan and Prakash were partners in a firm. Drawings made by them are as follows. Chirag rupees 2000 on 1st of every month. Pawan rupees 2500 on 15th of every month. So Prakash rupees 1500 on last day of every month. So as we were discussed in the previous videos, so here the partners made their drawings. So the first partner Chirag made his drawings at the beginning of every month. So second partner, that is Pawan, made his drawing on middle of every month, that is on 15th of every month, middle of every month. So last partner, that is Prakash, rupees 1500, he has made his drawings last day of every month, means at the end of every month. So with the help of this calculate interest on partners drawings at 12% per annum. The rate of interest on drawing, that is 12% per annum. So for the year ending 31st March 2013. So here the financial year ending, this is annually, books of accounts are closed annually. So in this problem, so we need to calculate the interest on drawings made by the different partners under average period method. So best suitable method, that is average period method. The first partner name, dear students, Chirag, he has made rupees 2000 on 1st of every month. Look here, the first partner, Chirag's interest on drawings. Okay. So dear students, by calculation of interest on drawings of Mr. Chirag's, so here we need to calculate the average period, that is, he has made his drawing at the beginning of every month, that is the reason average period is equal to, as you know, lowest month plus highest month whole divided by 2. It is an equation for calculation of average period. So here drawings made by the Chirag at the beginning of every month means lowest month will be 1 plus highest month will be 12 whole divided by 2. So total, that is 13 divided by 2. By simplifying, you will get 6.5 is the average period for calculation of Chirag's drawing. So one more step, that is, you can solve total drawings. While calculation of total drawings, dear students, so we do not bother regarding, so when he has made his drawing, whether it is a beginning or it is a middle or it is an end, but he has made his drawing of rupees 2000. You can see in your image, rupees 2000 first day of every month, means so he has made his drawings 12 times. Yes, so his total drawings of rupees 24,000. So 12 twos are 24. So then you can get rupees 24,000 is the total drawings made by Mr. Chirag. So now I am going to solve interest on drawing. Interest on drawings. So the equation is total drawings in the product method. We used to write here the total product, but it is not a product method. Now it is average period method. That is the reason. So here we have written total drawings into rate into 1 by 12. So 12% per annum. That is the reason I have written 1 by 12 into average period. Should not forget this average period. So it is an equation for calculation of interest on drawings under average period method. Dear students, total drawings of rupees 24,000 into rate of interest is 12%, 12 by 100. So into average period 6.5. The interest on drawing of Mr. Chirag. So you can calculate. So with your calculator here I can do manually of rupees 1,560. This is the interest on drawings of Mr. Chirag. So similarly, we need to ascertain the interest on drawings of other two partners also. So now I would like to remove this. So let us see the second partner's interest on drawings. Okay, dear students, I am extremely sorry I have forgotten to write 1 by 12 here in this last paper 1 stage. So do not worry. So mentally I have written over here, but physically I have forgotten to write. So I am extremely sorry for this. So one more step, that is 1 by 12 into 6.5 is the average period. So then only you can get rupees 1,560. That is the interest on drawings under average period method of Mr. Chirag. So sorry, extremely sorry for this. So I had forgotten to write this 1 by 12, but mentally I had written. So then only I could able to ascertain this interest on drawings of rupees 1,560. So let us solve one more example, not that. So another partner's interest on bank, that is drawing made by Pawan of rupees 2,500 on 15th of every month. So now we have ascertained the interest on drawings of Chirag. So let us discuss the interest on drawings of Mr. Pawan's. Okay. Look here, dear students, the second one, the second partner name is Pawan. Am I right? Pawan's interest on drawings. So he made his drawings of rupees 2,500 on 15th of every month. It does mean that, so middle of every month means the calculation of interest on drawings. Before that we should have to calculate the average period on the basis of his drawings made on that particular date. So he has made his drawing at the middle of every month. That is the reason the lowest month plus highest month divided by 2. So in this circumstance, so he has made his drawings at the middle of every month. Middle of every month means the first month is considerable only half month. So the highest month will be 11 integer 1 by 2 whole divided by 2. So next 12, 11 and half. Totally 12 divided by 2. So it is the 6 is the average period. So the total drawings of Mr. Pawan, he has made his drawings of rupees 2,500, rupees 2,500. So whatever it may be, whether he has made his drawing at the beginning or it is middle or it is an end, so he has made his drawings 12 times. That is the reason we need to calculate the total drawings. Total drawings of rupees 2,500 into 12 times. So you can get rupees 30,000. Rupees 30,000 is the total drawings made by the Mr. Pawan. Then the next step, that is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, for calculation of interest on drawings, here we need to write an equation: total drawings into rate into 1 by 12 into average period. So as we have ascertained here, dear students, total drawings of rupees 30,000. Look here. So how did you ascertain this 30,000? 2,500 middle of every month he has made his drawings. Into 12 times he has made. That is total of rupees 30,000. Into rate of interest is, that is 12 by 100 into 1 by 12 into the average period is 6. 6 is the average period. By simplifying this, dear students, you can ascertain the interest on drawings. So 30,000 into 12 by 100 into 1 divided by 12 into 6. So the interest on drawings of Mr. Pawan, that is rupees 1,800. 1,800 is the interest on drawings of Mr. Pawan under average period method. So let me solve the third partner's interest on drawings. That partner name is Prakash. He has made drawings of rupees 1,500 on last date of every month. So now the third one, that is his name is Prakash. Third case, Prakash's interest on drawings. So dear students, similar steps are to be followed. Here I need to remove whenever or wherever is necessary. So okay. Dear students, the last partner, that is Mr. Prakash, he has made his drawings of rupees 1,500 on last date of every month. The last date of every month, this is third circumstance. Last date means the lowest month will be 0. The highest month will be 11. Whole divided by 2. Look here. For calculation of interest on drawings under average period method, as you all know, so first we need to ascertain the average period. The average period is lowest month plus highest month whole divided by 2. So average period will be here. This partner has made his drawing at the end of every month. The last day of every month means the first month will be 0. The highest month will be 11 divided by 2. So divided by 2 means here we are ascertaining average period. So now by simplifying this, we can get 5.5 as an average period for calculation of interest on drawings under average period method of Mr. Prakash. Dear students, he has made his drawings of rupees 1,500, rupees 1,500. Dear students, no question is arised for when he has made his drawing. He has made last day of every month, but he has made 12 times. So that is the reason the total drawings will be, so 1,500 into 12 times. Now you can get of rupees 18,000 as the total drawings made by the partner. Partner is Prakash. So this is the total drawings made by the partner, and this one is the average period duration. So with this total drawings, dear students, 18,000 rupees, 18,000 into 12 by 100, 12%, that is rate of interest, into 1 by 12 into average period is 5.5. Simplify, dear students. 18,000 into 12 by 100 into 1 by 12 into 5.5. So the interest on drawings of Mr. Prakash is rupees 990. So this is the interest on drawings under average period method. Like this, dear students, we need to calculate the interest on drawings under average period method under different circumstances. So during your examination, there will be a question like only one partner's interest on drawing needs to be ascertained. So here in this example, different three circumstances are provided. So this will not be arised in your examination. So this is the way of presentation, way of solving the problem or calculation of interest on drawing under average period method. So okay, dear students, here I have tried my level best by standing before the camera to reach you all along with my camera technician Mr. Samish. Thank you very much. See you on next video.